The Black Friday storm of 2024. Shit is insane. I just cleaned all the snow off that, but that's what's on our roofs right now. Kind of scary. But this is my backyard. I mean, it's pretty crazy here. They have yet to shovel our back alley, or plowed, I should say. Pay all our tax bills to not get plowed. Can't go anywhere. Good thing I don't work today or my wife. Fucking insane. It's still coming down. Still snowing. Well, yeah, that is the snowstorm of Black Friday of 2024. And again, look at that. This is a 6-foot fence. We're halfway up the fence. It's a 6-footer. And they said 3 to 5 inches today, not 3 to 5 feet.